way to the lizard show in Stafford, Texas. Got my buddy here.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Cash Road.
We're almost there, and it's time to, it's Saturday morning. We didn't get a chance to load in on Friday, so we're going to be loading in before the VIP opens at 9. So all this back here has to come out and get organized, so this should be fun. We're here. Here's our spot. Looks like a lot of people didn't get to load in, so should be, we're not going to be the only ones.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep. Falling down through the clouds
I like how they fall over.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Ooh, you go for the biggest one. That's funny. You got some big boys in here. Just a small lizard and a big shell. What time is it? It is 9:43, so the show's gonna officially start soon. Alright, got my sweatshop going. Road sweatshop. Assembly line. Okay, it's day 2. We're here on Sunday, just setting up. Stella's getting warm. We've got a special guest there. That'll be going in there. And we're gonna kind of change up the display a little bit. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Dex is in there, cruising. Hey, buddy. Yeah, he's more one to get out than anything. It's been kind of slow today, but just having a good time, educating people. We got the beard, got the monitor.
Yep, all I've got left is going to be, this pair there. That male and female. The rest of them are all going to be males.
Okay. He's thinking about it. There you go.
That's the easiest way to get him out.
Get that young one you had.
Reptile?
Yeah, I'll be damned.
You see how big he is?
Wow,
Yeah.
beautiful.
He's gotten bigger.
Way cool. I'll have one day.
They're a handful,
Yeah, I am.
for sure.
I've had
We're
to.
at. Sold some skinks, sold some roaches today. No geckos, but talked to a lot of people about geckos, educated, so it was fun. I was trying to get Dex in his thing, and